Good morning and welcome to our first Student Leadership Assembly. Thank you and well done to all those who applied for the positions within the Student Leadership Body team. Congratulations to the following students.
Congratulations to the Year 7 Form Captain, Lily Whitfield, Ellie Barker, Erin Brooks, Emily Davies, Molly Bedall, George Marder, Benjamin DiMarco and Lily Finchett.
Congratulations to Casey McGlee-Reid, Oliver Humphreys Murray, Nave Boswell, Anfel Ali, Lily Mae Pistock, Jenna Welsh, Abigail Wilson, Rachel Richard, Julia Stando, Kelsey Dogan and Sasha Appleton.
Caitlin Bold, Levente Trinkle, Abigail Cassette,
Eliza Fox, Evelyn Kelly, Nathan McGaw-Whitney and Scott Waters.
Deputy Head Boy and Girl, I'm Bailey.
I'm Kaylee James.
And for the first time, we have Eco Champions as a part of the Student Leadership Body.
Well done to the following students. In Year 7 is Maya Elgadi, Thomas Wood, Emily Foxhall, Dominic Mullin, Willow Rudd, Ella Cogley, Nico Angeletta.
In Year 8, Ryan Bishop, Leo Bailey, Caitlin Taylor, Dominic Elgaradi, Frankie Cullen, Taylor Hegg.
In Year 9 it's Thomas Kelly, Faith Blackwell and Nicole Walters.
In Year 10, Adam Swinfield, Kyle Clark.
Morning, I'm Miriam Kowa, Head of Ethos. Congratulations to the new Ethos champions. I look forward to working with you. In Year 7 we have Caden Moores, Alan Sahan, Darina Racina, Ella Woods, Isabel Vardy. In Year 8 we have Daniel Hall, Dylan Little, Casey Morris and Harley Bennion. In Year 9 we have Bradley Siddall, Joe Dobson, Bethan Lloyd, Georgina Northall, Keisha Cunvin, Hayden Brun Carter and Amisha Mills. And in Year 10 we have Olivia Underwood, Emily Drury and Kian Williams.
Hi, I'm Abigail Kinane and I'm Head of Warburton. Congratulations to everyone who applied for House Captain. And these following people are your new House Captains. So in Year 7, there's Ebony Bagley-Fiander and Ella Cogley. In Year 8, there's Grace Whitfield. In Year 9, there's Olivia Rayburn. And in Year 10, we have Jake Ewald. Congratulations, I'm looking forward to working with you and let's aim to get the trophy.
Hi, I'm Bradley Wimpley, Head of Tilsley House. Congratulations to all the new House Captains. In Year 7 we have for Tilsley Lily Guy. In Year 8 we have Jordan Liptrot. In Year 9 we have Harriet Hayes. And finally in Year 10 we have Monique Holmes. This year I want us to smash all the house competitions and get that trophy at the end.
I'm James Wilson. I am Head of House of Ireland. I just wanted to say congratulations to the following new House Captains. We've got Lucas Steele, Liliana Keaton, Athena Jane, Sasha Appleton and Ella Louise Terry. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Louis Draycott, Head of Priestley House, and I would like to congratulate the following House Captains. Mia Hampton, Lewis Brooks, Kia Brown, Mia Piper, Emma Scarsbrick and Kyle Clark.
And I'm lead prefect and I'd like to congratulate the following for becoming prefects in order to keep the school safe. In Year 11 we have Abigail Cunane, Abigail Wilson, Aisha Mia, Bailey McDermott, Ben Algie, Bradley Wimpley, Dylan Roberts, Ellie Jones, Ethan Voltori, Evan Jones, Harry Hunt, James Wilson, Jess Kelly, Jonah Holland, Benjamin Jones, Kaylee James, Paul Ramsbottom, Sasha Kempster, Scott Currell, Sophie Moore. In Year 10 we have Adam Swinfield, Emily Drury, Sophie Stanley, Monique Holmes, Caitlin Arnold, Eliza Fox, Kyle Clark, Cody Knight, Jack Taylor, Josh Savage, Tyler Miller, Oliver Spencer, Kane Williams. And Year 9 we have Rashawn Taylor, Caitlin Bold, Georgina Northall, Shane Colton, Eleanor Draycott, and in Year 8, Megan Knight. Congratulations to all of you. In Year 7, if you would want to become prefect, please apply writing to me and stating why you would be good for this job. I look forward to your senior applications.
Hi everyone, so I'm now going to announce the house winners for each year group. So congratulations to the following students. In Year 7, house winners for Warburton are Ebony Bagley Fiander, Charlotte Hayes and Molly Bedell. In Year 8, Keely Marshall, Casey McLean Reid and Emma Farrington. In Year 9, Nick Walters, Denisa Anaotia and Abby Silcock. In Year 10, Ellie Dakin, Nathan McGar Whitney and Anna Chaklinska. And in Year 11, Alan Gabrielle Caprau, Jessica Dory and Abigail Canane. Well done to all those Warburtons. Next we have Ireland, and in Year 7 we have Ellie Barker, Lucas Steele and Lola Stott. In Year 8, Lydia Robinson, Lydia May Astbury and Heathish Sentil Kimur. In Year 9, Ryan Cronshaw, Dylan Worrell and Bethan Lloyd. Year 10, Bethany Carr, Caitlin Arnold, Holly Haywood, Aisha Mayer. Year 11, Aisha Mayer, Ellie Jones and Savannah Bates. In Tilsley, in Year 7, Ariana Farkas, Hiroki Harashimu and Emily Davis. In Year 8, Neve Guy, Rachel Richards and Taylor Hegg. In Year 9, Sophie Doran, Jamie Clare, Isabel Collinson. Year 10, Thomas Brown, Casey Hobson and Adam Swinfield. And in Year 11, Sophia Littler, Dylan Roberts and Valletta Calderbank. And on to our last house, Priestley. In Year 7, Thomas Andrews, Mia Hampton and Holdren Tellis. In Year 8, Neve Boswell, Billy Allen and Nikita Arakata. And in Year 9, Joe Dobson, Emily Muir and Ellie Schofield. And Year 10, Kian Williams, Ellie Sutton, Lucy Lee. And Year 11, Kaylee James, Tamsin Jakir and Benjamin Algie. So that's our house winners, and now we're going to go over to our overall results. So with all the house points added up together, we're going to go through Year 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and then overall. So in Year 7, in fourth place is Tilsley, in third is Ireland, in second is Priestley and in first, well done to Warburton. In Year 8, fourth place is Tilsley, third place is Warburton, second place is Ireland and first place is Priestley. Well done Priestley. In Year 9, fourth place is Priestley, third place is Ireland, second place is Tilsley and first place is Warburton. In Year 10, fourth place is Ireland, third place is Tilsley, second place is Priestley and first place is Warburton. Year 11, fourth place is Warburton, third place is Tilsley, second place is Ireland and again first place is Priestley. So overall results as we stand now in the lead up to the summer trophies. In fourth place is Tilsley, in third place is Ireland, in second place is Warburton, which means Priestley at this moment in time are our overall winners. Well done to Lily Draycott as head of house and the Priestley team. Well done everybody, thank you.